Hi everyone, thanks for joining today's Salesforce Marketing Cloud online training. Our trainer is Harshit. He will take over today's demo. Harshit, please start for today's session. In meanwhile, others also will join.
So hi guys, a warm welcome to our today's session. Today is a demo session on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. On behalf of svtechsoft, I welcome you guys to today's session. My name is Harshit Suri and I am 4x certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer. I have 5 years of experience on marketing automation, and that's on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So I will be helping you to give you a brief idea on the platform, on the Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform, and what all stuff we can perform on Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform, why it is built, what is their need to have a different marketing cloud apart from existing Salesforce development org. So everything today I'll be making you clear. So let's start with our session today. So guys, as the name describes, it is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So it you must be, it hitting your head like why it is called as Salesforce Marketing Cloud, what all stuff we can do with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So before understanding in detail about the platform, let's understand what is marketing. You must be aware of this term because everywhere you can hear this term. You can see other businesses promoting their contents online on Insta channels and social media channels everywhere via SMS, emails. Everywhere you can see brands are doing their marketing. So guys, what is marketing? Let's see. So the definition of marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. That means marketing is nothing but promoting your business, selling products and services. You can do marketing via distributing pamphlets, displaying banners, ads on signals or anywhere on the streets. Those were the traditional way of marketing. But as the time has evolved, we are going digital. So there is definitely a space in digital where we can reach customers digitally and perform marketing digitally. Today, marketing is something that every company and organization must implement in its growth strategy. So, guys, marketing is the key wherein companies can drive their sales, can sell products to different customers. Marketing is the way where they can increase their sales. So it is the key for every organization to grow. In order to implement its growth strategy, a company should have a solid marketing strategy if they want to grow and compete with other businesses existing. Many companies use marketing techniques to achieve their goals as they work to promote themselves and increase sales of their product or services. These days, marketing is one of the key aspects of business. So, in order to increase the sales, company must be present digitally, must be reaching customers digitally, using all the channels available so that they can increase their brand awareness, because as much people you will be reaching, you will be increasing your brand awareness. So today marketing is one of the key aspects of a business. So now guys, we have seen what is marketing. How today's marketing requirement is different from the traditional type of marketing. Traditional marketing, we had published some ads on television on key movements, or we have publicized posters of our products or services across signals or across roads, or we tend to do a type of banner marketing where we go and advertise about our products and services. However, as the time has evolved and we are going digital, there is always a need of digital marketing. And as we are going digital, that means we are handling with a lot of data, because going digital, people going digital knowingly or unknowingly generates plenty of data. And based on that data, we can optimize our marketing strategies. This was not possible in traditional marketing, wherein we had displayed some banners and posters, because there was no way to gather the data and utilize them. There were no way we can get specific information about a particular customer or a product using traditional marketing approaches. So guys, as time has evolved, the marketing has also evolved, and today's era is a is an era of data driven marketing. Pretty simple with with the term data driven marketing, when you will do based on the data available with you within your system, based on the behavior, based on the data patterns, you will take the next best action. That is called as data driven marketing. Let's see in details what is a data driven marketing. Data driven marketing is the approach of optimizing brand communications based on customer information. Data driven marketers use customer data to predict their needs, desire, and future behaviors. Such insights help personalized marketing strategies for highest possible return on investment. So it is with the statement we come to know that data driven marketing is nothing but reading the data and predict customers' needs. For example, if you go on Amazon, I'm sure everybody must be aware of Amazon and has one or two times or plenty of times visited Amazon's website. So suppose when you go and when you search for a particular product, suppose you want to go to a party after a week and you want to purchase nice dress for you. So you go on Amazon and you try to search for a jeans. Suppose you want a blue color jeans from Amazon. So you try to search for a blue color jeans on Amazon. So now what happens is you have tried to search two, three jeans, four jeans, five jeans of different brands, and you have shortlisted a jeans of blue color which is of Levi's brand. You have put that particular jeans into your cart, but somehow you fail to check out. Okay, you fail to check out and you get involved into a different activity. Amazon system is such an intelligence system which is designed in such a way that it will read the data which is present in your card and immediately trigger an email with the same product picture and price inside your email. It will Amazon will not be limited to sending the same product picture. It is such an intelligent platform that based on the research you have done on their website, they will send more product recommendations. Okay, you had this product in your cart, there can be other reasons why you haven't bought that product. We have other similar product recommendations for you. Here is blue jeans of Spiker within same range, and it is discounted as well. So these kind of approaches you will see on Amazon or any other e-commerce website which has a tendency to have a data driven marketing approach rather than traditional marketing. So all the so every interaction you will be doing with Amazon's system is designed in such a way that it is capable to read the data behind your interactions, analyze that data, and will recommend the next best products or services which they can, so that Amazon can increase the sales as well as close you as a as well as close your order. So guys, why data driven marketing? What are the most important objectives of a data driven marketing strategy? With data driven marketing, the most important point is you can personalize the customer experience. That means you can read the data about a person, about a particular customer. You can store customer preferences. You can customize your products and services based on that particular customer. You can customize your promotional contents based on the need of that particular customer. Suppose whenever Amazon sends you any email, if you notice into that email will definitely contain your first name. That is the first step of customer personalization Amazon has adopted. Now you may see that there can be other type of personalization into the same Amazon's email, like your previous histories or previous reviews you have posted on Amazon. So these are all the type of personalizations which Amazon uh, has a tendency to drive their marketing objective. So with data driven marketing, we can achieve personalizing the customer experience, measuring data driven marketing ROI. So as the data will be generated, Amazon is aware that which product, which keyword is driving more and more sales. So then then Amazon will try to promote the products with same keywords on its website to generate more marketing return on investments. Targeting individual marketing segments. For example, there is always a male and female in our society. Amazon does not want to send men related product to female customers. This is called individual market segments, wherein Amazon will be taking data into consideration about the gender of a particular person and optimizing its promotional contents based on the gender. So for female, Amazon will, if Amazon wants to send any promotional content or any new offer, it will definitely consider the gender of that particular person and will optimize their content, will personalize their content as per the gender. Why data driven marketing strategy is useful? It is useful to acquire new customers. We are aware with the data driven marketing that what all are keywords which is driving more sales. We can include those keywords into our website, or so that you can drive more searches on your website, because nowadays website is a key for a business. You must be present digitally, because anytime if a customer comes to know about any term about your company, or if he hears anything about your company from somebody, he has a tendency to Google and open your website. So you must design such an system. You must adopt data driven marketing strategy, wherein you will be reading the data generated on your websites, which is bringing you more customers in, and then based on those data patterns you can take next best decisions. To improve data quality, integrating data across platforms, growing the marketing database, raising level of data analytics skills are more features of data driven marketing. So now, guys, we have seen what is marketing. We have seen two types of marketing. Earlier we used to do traditional, and now it is digital marketing. And in digital marketing, we have seen the significance of data and why data-driven marketing is very important for us. Now we will see what is marketing automation. So, guys, suppose you went on Amazon and you signed up. Okay, you went on Amazon, you signed up. You are getting a sign up email confirmation immediately after you sign up. It will contain some of the information which you have provided to Amazon. Similarly, you buy a product, you get an invoice in your inbox, a triggered email is sent immediately after you have made a purchase with the invoice, bill and everything, warranty details, everything. So that is set up in an automated way. Nobody is going to send you emails manually. Similarly, you go into ATM and you withdraw some amount from the ATM. You get a triggered SMS immediately with your updated balance and the amount withdrawn. Nowadays, they try to provide the location, IP address, and every details into the SMS so that you are aware of the transaction. So these all are the automations which are set, to which nobody is sending emails or SMSs, but these are being automated. Why these are automated? To reduce the efforts. So this is a very simple example of automation. Suppose you got a new job. you have been onboarded into a journey. So from the day you have received offer till 1 week, or suppose 1 month of your joining, after you have joined, after then also after 1 month, you will get a series of emails from the company. So you will receive an offer letter. After suppose 1 week, you will receive more details about your onboarding. Then after near to your onboarding, you will receive some more emails consisting of key contacts, day one agenda and everything. When you have onboarded, you will get an confirmation email that congratulations for your onboarding. Here is the agenda for next 7 days. Now after 7 days, you will get a recruitment feedback survey. So this is a series of steps, all automated steps. We call it as automated journey, which is already set up with the help of marketing automation concept, wherein nobody is going to manually trigger all these confirmation and promotional, or I should say knowledge based emails and contents, but it will be triggered in an automated fashion based on the data available into the system. So with marketing automation, what we can do, we'll see marketing automation helps you to identify potential customers, automating the process of nurturing those leads to sales readiness. Marketing automation helps you to identify potential customers. For example, I am visiting your website. So your website should be capable to read that yes, we have a new visitor. If I am entering some details, your website should be capable to take next best actions based on the details entered. So marketing automation helps us to identify potential customers, automating the process of nurturing leads to sales readiness. What is lead, guys? Lead is a type of potential customer. If I go and inquire something about your product or services, I am a potential customer. Technical terms, I will be called as a lead. So nurturing leads means sending more contents, more promotional offers so that I can make up my mind and I go and purchase that product from your website. So when first I inquired about your products and services, I was lead. Then you had set up, so then you had set up an automated nurturing lead process, wherein I will be getting a series of emails consisting of information about your products and services on regular basis, so that at one day I may make up my mind to buy your products and services. So with marketing automation, the first and important thing is we can identify our potential customers and automate the process to nurture the leads. For instance, let's say a particular customer is reading about a broad category of products. This might indicate that they are at the beginning of purchasing process. Somebody went on your website, have searched about a categories of product. That means I am interested about your product. That's why I have reached there. Okay, and I try to shortlist some products on your website. If suppose later I go and download white papers like any product information on a specific product, that could indicate a narrow focus and a readiness to be contacted by salesperson. So your website will understand that yes, I am interested in your product and services because I have downloaded a white paper from you. So there should be an automation setup wherein the details should be automatically be passed to the salesperson, and with that salesperson will try to contact you so that they can convert you lead to a customer. That means he can sell the product to you. So bringing together information from touch points, including website visits, downloads, social media activity, and direct marketing enables automatic scoring, qualifying, and prioritizing of leads. This in turn can then drive wider marketing campaigns. That means with marketing automation, you can integrate different systems. You can integrate your website, you can integrate your database, you can integrate your CRM system, you can integrate your ERP. So any system you want to integrate, and if you want to gather data from there and take next best actions, automate next best actions. Like I downloaded white paper, a direct communication is sent to our salesperson. That means that data is that we are reading data from your website and taking next best action to route your data to a salesperson. Similarly, if I purchase something from your website, that means I'll have to get a product order summary into my email. Further, if I have purchased something, if I have provided you my like email, like anniversary details or birthday details, you should have you companies try to automate such process that on the anniversary on birthday details they tend to send some coupons automatically. So these all are the type of marketing automations which you can achieve using by integrating different platforms. With this, you can do triggered based marketing messages, influent drip feed emails to maintain interest. Triggered based marketing messages like I downloaded something, I'll get a thank you for downloading a response via email automatically whenever I go and download something, or I go and I do a forward password, or I go and I purchase a product from your website. So there has to be a triggered based message that we can perform using marketing automation. Suppose your suppose you got less sales this month, that means there is a drip in your sales. You can use marketing automations to check who have not purchased anything from past 6 or 7 months, so that you can re-engage them about on your website on your brands and services. That you can do, you can create personalized SMS emails with marketing automation, and you can anyways post ads on Facebook or Twitter. So guys, what is a workflow? What is marketing automation workflow? Basically, automation workflow. So let's try to study with an example. So in that automation workflow, we will have an entry point. We will have if else condition. Entry point will be the data source from where we are getting we are getting data either from website or a CRM system or any ERP system. If else conditions, if we got the data, what is the condition we want to do, what is the next best action we want to do, and then we can design such type of workflows to take next best actions based on the data available with the help of marketing automation. Let's try to see an example. Suppose you have a website and you got a newsletter sign up. So now after 7 days of sign up, you have built such an system wherein you will check if after sign up, if I have visited your pricing page or not, if I have inquired and about any product or not. If yes, then there should be an automated system, marketing automation system built wherein if I have visited pricing page but have not purchased anything, I should roll out a 20% discount coupon. If I haven't visited on your website yet and I haven't purchased anything, then there should be an automated invite to a webinar where you can call the customers and take personal meetings with them so that you can drive sales, you can increase your brand awareness with that particular customer. So this was a simple example. Let's try to see another automation example. User places an order, user receives completed order email. So now after I have placed order, after I have received order email, user receives related product recommendation email. So suppose I made a purchase before 30 days. Now as company already have a data, has my personal data. So company wants to build such an automation wherein they want to keep you engaged with their brand. So they will send automated product recommendation emails within, so they can define any interval. Suppose after the first purchase, if you haven't made any purchase within 30 days, then you can get a product recommendation email on 31st day, or any frequency they can set so that you can be kept engaged with their brand. Now, if a user places another order, the same life cycle will get followed. So guys, what we have seen here is we have seen a workflow. In technical terms, the automation workflow is called a customer journey, because we are studying about marketing automation. That means if in terms of marketing, if we want to design such workflows, we call it as customer journey. So now guys, let's see what is a customer journey. So a customer journey is a series of steps a customer goes through during a touch point with a company. What are the touch points clicking on an ad? So if I clicked an ad, that is a touch point. If you have published any ad on Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere, so I should have such a system wherein I will be able to read or listen the event occurred on my ad. That means I will be able to get that interaction details on my ad. Or the other touch point can be reading an email. Suppose you sent an email and somebody has read that email. So that is also a touch point that read recipient you can get that data from the system. Or the other touch point can be making a purchase on a website, or returning an item in the store, talking to a service agent on phone, downloading a white paper, redeeming a coupon. So these all are the touch points based on which you can have customer journeys created. What if somebody has clicked on ad, there has to be a follow-up communication, an automated follow-up communication. What if somebody has purchased some product, there should be a follow-up communication. What if somebody has called to our customer service agent, there should be a follow-up communication. Like if the query is resolved, there should be a triggered email containing the survey information and all. What if somebody has downloaded a paper or a PDF for the product recommendation, after download there has to be a follow-up. Or what if somebody has redeemed a coupon, then also there has to be a follow-up. So these follow-ups you will have to define automation workflow, and that automation workflow in marketing terms is called as customer journeys. So journeys are the building blocks of individual customer experience. There are hundreds of ways people interact with business every day. Everyone's interaction take place in different ways at different time, in different order, on different media with different technologies. So somebody can interact with your brand via mobile, somebody can interact with your brand via laptop, desktop. Somebody might see your advertisement on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, or somebody personally visits on your website, or somebody has heard about your brands from somebody else person, someone else. So you should have such an automation built for your particular brand, so that you cannot let that customer go after the first interaction. In order to make a customer feel good and retain that customer, you have to set up a customer journey wherein you will have to provide a series of steps, uh, series of, I should say, communications, which will keep your customer get engaged with your brand. So guys, what all are the marketing automation channels? What all customer journeys we can build, and which channels we can reach our customers? We can reach our customers via email. We can reach our customers via social media. We can reach our customers via push notifications, SMS, MMS. We can reach our customers via web personalizations, like showing personalized contents on our website based on the data available with us. Based on the data available with us, we can engage that customer for emails as well. Based on data available, we can engage that customer on social media. For example, if I as a customer went and posted something about a particular brand, there has to be an automation setup. Immediately, at least a thank you message should be displayed to that customer if the feedback I have shared is good or bad. So system should with marketing automation, you will be able to listen that event occurred on social media websites and can take next best actions. You can send push notifications. For example, you order something from an app, you get regular delivery updates. Nowadays you get geological tracking as well. You can see a person into a map. You can get every details of a person's movement, of a delivery boy's movement on an app. Based on that, you can trigger a push notification. For example, if your delivery guy is about 100 meters away from your home, then it should trigger a push message that your food is arriving. So these all are the channels in which we can set up marketing automation, and we can engage our customers with our brand. So guys, what are the benefits of marketing automation? The benefits of marketing automation are discover quality leads. That means you have to gather a lead before selling somebody. You have to acquire a new customer, prioritize customer journeys. You can create customer journeys. You can have paths designed so that you can make your customer interact with your brand, make decisions based on data. With marketing automation, we focus on data driven marketing. So it should be such an intelligent platform which takes decisions based on data, keep marketing and sale in alignment. That means you should know when your product was sold, whom your product was sold, so that you can re-engage that particular customer for future products and services, obtain more detailed customer profiles. Example, you can get more and more details from a customer about his preferences, his interests, so that you can customize your marketing content and sell your products and services. So guys, we saw as till now that what is marketing, why it is different from traditional marketing. We saw what is data driven marketing. We saw why data driven marketing is essential for today. We saw what is marketing automation, and we saw about customer journeys. Is there any question? Because these all were the basics which I had to cover before starting the marketing cloud. Any questions so far? Okay, I'll take the silence as no. So guys,
A question.
let's,
So,
yes,
so
sorry,
do we
yes.
have, so after this course, how can we do the practice? Is there any sandbox that you guys provided, or
Yeah. We will definitely provide. I'll show you the demo now, but this was the basics which I had to cover. We will be providing demo, sandbox, everything for your practice. Any
okay?
other
So
question?
is there any coding involved in the marketing cloud?
Yes, there is a coding involved. But if you
Okay.
don't want to do coding, then that's okay.
No, I'm just looking for what is the code, what is the language, or is it covered in the course itself?
No, it will be covered in course. We have marketing cloud specific language M script, so it will be
Okay.
covered.
So
Because
what are the
to gather data and to segment data, we will have to have some type of segmentation and scripting. So we will be seeing that.
okay? So is it kind of JavaScript code or completely different code?
Yeah, it is we have server side JavaScript similar to JavaScript, but not all the libraries of JavaScript will be utilized. For Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we have specific libraries. So in that server side JavaScript, you will be able to use those specific functions in order to interact with Marketing Cloud.
Okay,
And
so what is the total duration of this course, and how many sessions are going with automation, and how many sessions are going with coding?
I will be covering everything. I haven't yet started demo on Marketing Cloud. This was just a base which I wanted to cover. So if you ask this question at the end, then it will be beneficial for you as well. So just wait for some more time. Let me cover details.
No. Generally, how many sessions that you are planning to cover through
3 weeks
automation?
probably. 3 weeks.
3 weeks for whole marketing cloud.
Yeah, for whole Marketing Cloud with hands-on. It can be extended to 4 weeks. Let's see how it goes, because sometimes if I give some demo, if I give some assignment, so that I have to explore, that I have to explain more in detail. So it sometimes takes extra time. So 3.5 weeks probably.
Okay. So it's a weekly 5 sessions, right? Weekly 5 sessions, and then
Yes.
total kind of
Yeah.
15 sessions if it is 3
Yeah.
weeks.
Yes.
So daily it's going to be 1 hour session or 1.5 hour.
1.5 hour.
1.5 hour session daily. 1.5 hour session daily. Okay. The total course duration will take some 30 to 35 hours. Okay. We do provide 2 months org access also for practice. Marketing Cloud org is it's not an open source. Okay, it's
Yes.
completely paid one. Okay, but in our training program, we do provide 2 months free org access.
Okay.
Okay, the complete training will be happen in real time. We will also teach the real time scenarios. Okay. Okay, we will also give a lot of some access. Okay, this complete training will be going through some hands-on.
Okay.
What are the prerequisites to learn this Salesforce Marketing Cloud?
Prerequisites is nothing. I will be covering everything. I will be covering like from basics to coding to APIs, everything.
See,
That is what
sorry to
I
interrupt
wanted to
you guys.
cover.
Yeah, Harshit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Marketing. Okay, to learn this marketing cloud, there is no need any prerequisite.
Yes.
Any some non-IT people, any no background coding people also can learn this particular tool. Okay. See, actually within this tool have a lot of studios will be there. Email studios, many point studio. We have to be learn each and every studio and actually like in how it works. Another thing is some little bit coding is there. That coding we can call as AMP script, like simple some HTML, JavaScript kind of thing. But actually those things also will be teach in our the training programming. No need to learn separately. Okay.
Yes. So guys, no need to worry about any prerequisites. I have designed my course in such a way that you will be able to take up each and everything, even if you don't know coding.
Okay, so is Apex coding involved in this?
No Apex. Marketing Cloud has separate language than Salesforce. No Lightning,
There is
no
no
Apex.
Apex, there is no SQL query, there is no Visual Force Base, there is no Lightning. See, this
Yeah.
particular marketing cloud is completely separate to the Salesforce. Marketing
Yes.
cloud is also one of the part of Salesforce, but this marketing cloud have different license. Okay, some different org.
Okay, if we have to do any customization, then how do we do that? It again involves a coding, right, for customization.
YAML script, I
Yeah,
told
you will. Yes. Sorry. Please go ahead.
Yeah. See, within this particular marketing cloud, the AMP script will be there. As I mentioned, AMP script is completely based on HTML and JavaScript only. The email template designing and everything. Okay, there is no other coding.
Okay, so having said that, so we can directly search for jobs only as a Salesforce Marketing Cloud specialist. So I mean, in this
Yes.
Marketing Cloud, do we have any admin separate role, developer separate
Yes,
role, or it's
see,
all one?
lot of roles will be there. Marketing cloud administration, developer, consultant, architect. Okay, but actually within this training program, we will teach from base level to advanced level. You can apply for any role because of actually within this training program, we have the responsibility to teach A to Z. You may have work or not work in real time, but our responsibility was to teach each and everything in detail.
This training will cover admin part as well, right?
Yes. Every admin part, consulting part, development part, specialist part, everything I will be covering. I will be making you aware of different scenarios. I will be making up your mind to think about digital strategies, different scenarios and everything. You will learn the product side by side. You will gain consulting skills as well. Because if you are working on marketing cloud, you have to deal with marketing domain as well. You cannot simply learn the cloud and start doing works, but side by side you have to develop your mind. You have to get more and more scenarios in mind so that you can utilize this product platform efficiently, because the main goal is to drive our marketing. And nowadays marketing is done into digital way. So if we have digital, we will have some codings, some configurations and everything. But the main goal is to drive the marketing, the sales of a particular company. So I'll help you to think in that way as well. Apart from development and admin skills, you will be learning consulting skills as well.
Okay, by completing this course, how many years of experience we can claim and start our job trials?
So you can claim your own experience. How many experience you have, you can you can use the same years of experience. If you are a fresher, you can start from scratch. If you already have experience, then you learn this product and change your resume.
Okay.
And
Let me add some point here.
yeah,
For example, actually, if you have some 7 to 8 years of experience, for example, okay, whatever you have prior experience, you have to be keep same as 5 years. Okay, for last 2 to 3 years, you have to be keep as SFMC. Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
within market have jobs as a fresher 1 year, 2 years, 3 years.
Then
Okay.
how much we can target like in the market? Like some people have already have good pay scale, right? Within the current working phase. So
See,
how much we can
depending upon the capable.
It depends on
Even
people.
actually 3 years guy is earning 25 lakh.
Yeah.
yeah, that what I'm asking you.
Depending upon some another person, 3 years person is earning only some 10 lakh like that.
Mhm.
So guys, based on your current
Now
package,
completely
I should
open
say-
market, right? How much you want, you can bargain.
Yeah. So it depends if you are going for a consulting company or a product based company. Suppose consulting company like Accenture, Infosys will not have their own project. But if you go to Amazon, you will be part of Amazon's marketing automation team, Flipkart's marketing automation team. So every brand, so it depends on the brand you are targeting. In consulting company, you will anytime get 40 to 50% hike. But in other companies, if you get into their core marketing team, then definitely you can jump to 100 to 150% hike. So there is no limit, and this is a very robust platform. This is a niche skill. It is introduced a few years back. And I have about 5 years of experience, and from day one, I am working on this platform. And when I started to work on this platform, I didn't get any training and nothing. So everything I have covered it from me, and I'm at good position. So definitely, guys, I'll give all the knowledge which is required to get good package for you guys into different companies. Any questions?
Hi.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
This is
When
Kan.
are so when are you planning the actual sessions?
We are planning the regular batch from Monday onwards. Monday 9 p.m. IST.
So it's 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST. Monday to Friday, right?
Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Monday to Friday.
Hey, Harshit.
So
Yes.
Is it IST?
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Can you give the demo of real Salesforce Marketing Cloud? So we are keep discussing.
Yeah.
on-
That was I was covering these questions. I thought I will take
Yeah.
at the end, but I had to cover at least 20 slides more to give you a brief idea.
Please, they will get the idea of if you give the demo of Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
Okay, so let me go with my own pace. I have designed a nice content for you. So please be patient for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that I can at least cover all what I have. And side by side, I will give you demo as well on platform. Okay. Okay, guys. So now, guys, we have seen about marketing automation. We have seen how important is marketing automation to drive a revenue for a particular company. We have different platforms available, and best platform is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. What is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce for Marketing is built on world's #1 CRM platform. We all know the world's #1 CRM platform is Salesforce. So Marketing Cloud is built on the same platform, and Salesforce is the owner of Marketing Cloud. It enables you to know your customer, personalize with intelligence, and engage across entire journeys. It will help to know more about your customers. It will help to personalize. It has AI capabilities. We have Einstein. Einstein is an artificial intelligence platform which is embedded into Marketing Cloud, which will help you to create intelligent, personalized content so that you can reach right audience with right content to drive more sale. It is the only integrated customer engagement platform that enables you to deliver personalized customer engagement at on every channel. So we can create personalized contents, and we can target customers across every channel. Every channel means email to web, mobile, social, digital, advertising. Marketing Cloud covers it all. So in Marketing Cloud, what all features we have? We can create personalized customer journeys. We have already we already got a brief idea what is a journey. It is a series of steps which you it is a type of workflow which you design and which you will enable your customers to get or to interact with your brand. So we can definitely design workflows and journeys into Marketing Cloud. Contacts, we can create contacts. What are contacts? Nothing but the people you are going to send communications, whether it is email, mobile, social, any type of communication across any channel. So if you want to send, you will be sending to a particular contact. Contact is nothing but an entity to which you are intended to send a communication from Marketing Cloud. So the Marketing Cloud platform has contact management system. Marketing Sorry. So within Marketing Cloud, you can create contacts. We have segmentation tools. Segmentation tools such as the very example is SQL. So you can segment the contacts which are available into Marketing Cloud based on the specific requirement. If you want to segregate based on age, based on gender, or based on any attribute, you can do that. You can do events and triggers to that context. You can read and listen the events which are getting occurred with the activity of those contacts. Suppose your Marketing Cloud contact went on website, that is an event. He requested for forgot password, it is an event. Requested for any services, it is an event. Made purchase anything, it is an event. So you can read and read the events getting created by your contacts, and you can take next best actions. You can trigger SMS, push message, or anything you want. Predictive intelligence, you can utilize the Einstein capability of Salesforce Marketing Cloud to segment or to promote specific intelligent contents to your particular content. Now in Marketing Cloud, we have content management. So you can design the journey, you can have contacts, you have content. What is content? Content is nothing but an email message or SMS message, or any survey type of page, or any page which you create in Marketing Cloud and which you want to promote to your customers. So Marketing Cloud is also a content management platform. It also offers a content management platform where you can either create contents using already available templates, or if you want to code, if you want to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you can definitely be able to use them. All this with all this, you can create contents, both templates and coded contents. We have channels. What all are the channels available in Marketing Cloud? In channels, we have email, SMS, or MMS. MMS is discontinued in India, but it is still popular in US. We will see how to create emails, how to create personalized emails. We will see how to create SMS. We will see how to create personalized SMS, MMS. We will see how to create push notifications if your brand is using any app. Suppose Zomato is using any app, Swiggy is using app, Ola, Uber, every business nowadays is using apps. So instead of email, because email, not everybody will open in email, you will have less opens on an email. But push notification, SMS, everybody will read, though they will ignore or clear that up, but definitely person's eye will go on push notification. So Marketing Cloud offers push notification channels as well, so that you can target your customers via your apps. We have social channels, advertising channels, web experience channels, and group messaging channels. So in Marketing Cloud, we have different channels so that we can promote our contents to the contacts we have built, and via an automated workflow. We call it as journey. After you have decided channel, after you have created content, after you have defined the workflow of the journey, after you send communications to your contact, you will get some data. We call, so with that data, you will be able to you will be able to get an insight about the marketing efforts you have performed. So suppose you send email to 100 people and your company wants to know that how many people have opened an email, because your company has spent suppose 100 rupees sending those emails, and if nobody has opened an email, so it is a waste of 100 rupees. Similarly, marketing team regularly wants to interact with the data. They regularly wants to get the insight of the data which is getting generated, so that they can analyze their marketing efforts. They can create dashboards, they can create reports to check the performance. If it is up to the mark, they can create more strategies based on the data available to scale their effort. If something is not working properly, if they are not getting required amount of sales, they can change their strategies. So marketing cloud will always generate a tracking data based on the subscribers interaction with your communications across channel, which you can definitely utilize for reporting purposes. You can create reports, dashboards and analytics, so that you can optimize your performance, campaign performance. Also, marketing cloud is a platform wherein you can integrate third party apps or integrate Salesforce apps. Like we can integrate Salesforce or dev, or that is sales and service cloud, with marketing cloud, and we can use the custom and standard objects. I know if most of the guys don't know what is custom and standard objects, but for people who know what is Salesforce and what are custom and standard objects, so we can utilize those data within our marketing cloud as well. So marketing cloud also offers connected apps. It may be Salesforce app or it can be a third party app on App Exchange. What is App Exchange? App Exchange is a type of app store specifically for Salesforce platforms. So these were the features which were available in marketing cloud. Just to reiterate everything, what is marketing cloud and what are the benefits of marketing cloud? With marketing cloud, you can connect known and unknown profiles to gain unified view of customers. You can check if your customers is revisiting or if there is a new customer on your website. Based on that, you can have interactions created, workflows created. You can leverage data and Einstein artificial intelligence to make every interaction relevant. You can create two-way real-time engagement when and where the customer wants, and you can create report, measure, report, optimize on marketing performance, impact, and customer loyalty. So pretty much everything from reaching to customer to generating their data to reading their data to taking next best decisions based on the data available, you will be able to do everything with marketing cloud. So now guys, in marketing cloud, what all studios and builders we have, what all we can do, we have seen, but what all are the channels and what all are the specific channel names we have, let's see. So within marketing cloud, we have plenty of products. We have journey builder. I already gave you brief idea what is journey. It is a workflow which you create. So within journey builder, you will be creating those type of workflows. It is a drag and drop interface. If you don't know coding, that's okay. You will be able to create a journey within fraction of time after I give a brief on journey builder in our training. Similarly, for emails, we have email studio. It is a type of studio in marketing cloud. We have Salesforce data management platform. We call it a Salesforce TMP. For mobile channel, we have mobile studio. For social channel, we have social studio. We have Salesforce data studio. We have advertising studios. So these all are the studios which are present inside marketing cloud. So now guys, let's try to see how marketing cloud looks. So in order to access marketing cloud, here is the URL in front of you. It is https mc.exacttarget.com. Guys, before Salesforce, marketing cloud was the part of a company called as Exact Target. That is why you can see mc.exacttarget.com. Later, Salesforce acquired Exact Target and changed the name to Marketing Cloud and made this platform more intelligent. Guys, let's try to move to Marketing Cloud. Let's try to see, like try to log in into Marketing Cloud. Okay. So I'll open in front of you. Okay. So mc.exacttarget.com is the marketing cloud URL. I'll keep my username here and I'll provide my password. So I've entered my password. It is the multi-factor authentication. I'll skip that because I haven't integrated my phone's app with this. This is SSO. I will skip that. And now guys, you will be able to see Marketing Cloud in front of you. This is the first screen which you will be going to see whenever you log in into Marketing Cloud. So pretty much clear within Marketing Cloud, as you can see a list of menus available here. We have email studio, we have mobile studio, we have social studio, advertising studio, web studio, interaction studio. So these all are the studios available. Studios are nothing but the specific channels you will be targeting your customers. And here are the builders: analytics builder for your reports, journey builders to build your workflows, content builder to create emails, SMSs, contents you want to create, and audience builder to build your data model, because data model is necessary so that you can start gathering the data from your customers and use that for data driven marketing.
So Harshit, are these, sorry to interrupt you, are these common features to any marketing cloud org, or it will
No,
vary based?
no, it will vary. Marketing Cloud has suppose Social Studio is not a default product of Marketing Cloud. We have to integrate this. Similarly, based on the Marketing Cloud editions, you may or may not get certain features like this Interaction Studio. So, but the common functionality remains same. If you study Marketing Cloud from a basic account as well, you won't get any difficulty working on any other editions, because the main thing is to grasp the concept and basic building blocks of Marketing Cloud. Then if some feature is not available, you will be easily able to work on that feature if it is available into a different cloud, a different edition.
Okay, so how many certifications do we have in Salesforce for this particular marketing cloud? Is it
So
like
there
admin
are 4
development?
certifications and I have done all of them, but it depends on what line you want to you want to go. If you want to go for a developer line, you have Marketing Cloud Admin and Marketing Cloud Developer certifications, wherein admin is prerequisite. But if you don't want to develop anything, you want to go into configurations and operations part, then we have email specialist. And if you want to grow as a consultant, then we have Marketing Cloud Consultant examination. But for consultant examination, email specialist is a prerequisite. So it depends what path you want to adopt. I will be in my training will be including each and everything. I will be including basics of development as well, basics of consulting as well, administration part. I will be covering everything. Email studio specialist certification, I will be covering everything.
Okay, thank you.
How do we get Marketing Cloud account?
That we will provide after you enroll. It is not free.
Okay. No, in general, if we want to buy, can we buy that directly?
Yeah, you have to, but from Salesforce you have to buy.
So generally, what is the cost for one user license? One user.
That cost I am not aware. Maybe the owner can tell. I haven't purchased for me, so I'm not aware of that cost.
Okay.
Not like a regular developer org?
No, not regular developer or see, that is a platform. Salesforce is a platform as a service, that dev org, where you can customize and do everything. But
Yeah.
Marketing Cloud is a SaaS, software as a service.
Okay.
You get a ready-made product. You will be able to execute custom workflows and design everything, but you cannot challenge the basic functionality. Suppose you want to add any other builder, studio or builder, or you want to customize this page like we can do in Salesforce page layouts, you won't be able to do. Why? Because it is a SaaS, software as a service. That is why it is not available free, because it is ready to go platform. Even if you don't do we can do certain customizations, but that you will be only able to understand when we cover the full course. There are not such type of customizations which are available into Salesforce. That is a CRM. Marketing Cloud is a part of CRM. What is CRM? It is a type of platform which facilitates sales, service, marketing, commerce, everything. But Marketing Cloud is only dedicated software as a service for marketing. Any type of marketing you will be able to execute, but you will not be able to customize the entire UI and everything which you can do in Salesforce.
Okay. So what are the
Harshit, will we get the demo account for practice?
Yes, yes, definitely. So as told earlier, 2 months of a demo account you will be getting for practice.
So what are the competitors for this? Say suppose for Salesforce marketing.
Competitor is, see, I have been uh, working with some big clients, and all the big clients who you must be aware of that if somebody is working on Salesforce, you must be aware of that those companies which are working on Salesforce, which has their Salesforce platforms, are automatically migrating to Marketing Cloud. However, for those companies which do not use Salesforce, they may purchase Marketing Cloud or may go to Adobe. So Adobe has an Experience Cloud which is similar to Marketing Cloud, but as Salesforce is popular among clients, that means by default Marketing Cloud is also popular. That is why it is ranked as #1 enterprise platform. However, there are some more platforms like Marketo or we have Experience Cloud, but as per my understanding, those are not practiced by big brands, because I myself was involved into two projects wherein I had to migrate all the things from Adobe to Salesforce. Okay, so that is why I'm telling that if because Salesforce CRM has a greater reach, um, every small and big enterprise is using Salesforce. So default, they will be the customers of Marketing Cloud.
Okay. Right.
So guys, it will be a beneficial skill for you to adopt, because it is a very niche skill. Every day we are evolving in our technologies. So marketing efforts are also evolving. The most recent example is we have seen smart watches introduced. Okay. So Marketing Cloud is such an intelligent platform which will help to send notifications on a user device when they are using Salesforce. So that is why
Hello.
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
always, I guess, before 3 to 4 years, but now everybody has those smartwatches, and Salesforce has introduced feature to market their content to a particular smartwatch as well. Similarly, we have Facebook Messenger. We can integrate WhatsApp with Salesforce. Okay, so that we can send order confirmation or any type of services which we want. We can directly send to over to customer's WhatsApp number. We can definitely send via SMS, but we can integrate line messenger, WhatsApp, or I should say Facebook Messenger, okay, with Marketing Cloud. So the integration is simple, guys, but the main thing is you have to understand the data. And if you understand that data, you will be able to grasp everything. I will be making you aware of each and everything, each and every device which we can reach using Marketing Cloud.
Coming to the data, so do we have the default data model available in Marketing Cloud also? So for
That I
sales,
had to that I will be covering now. If you allow me to switch to my PPT again, I will cover everything.
Sure, yeah. So please go ahead. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So I have a plenty of things planned for you. So sorry for it's getting a bit extended, but it will give you a brief idea what we all have into Marketing Cloud. So guys, we have tried to access Marketing Cloud. We have seen studios and builders. Just a difference: what is studio and what is builder? I will be going very quickly now. Marketing Cloud Studios help you work with marketing channels which map to the ways you communicate with your customer, like email, mobile, social. So all the studios available in Marketing Cloud are nothing but the channels. What are the builders? Marketing Cloud builders represent the platform or tools that help you build and manage personalized customer journeys. So the workflow which we have seen, we will be designing using a builder, journey builder, automation builder, and and the channel which we will be choosing is the studio. For example, imagine you want to connect to your customer via email to tell them all about your weekend sale. You have a weekend sale coming and you want to tell your customers about your weekend sale, like Amazon does for Big Billion Day sale, Republic Day sale. If you have looked Amazon, there's a Republic Day sale going on. So every day I receive an Amazon promotional message about that sale. So you use Email Studio to manage your email distribution to your customer. So suppose a Republic Day sale is coming and you want to send emails so that you can make your customers aware about the sale. When you are ready to personalize, automate, and build cross-channel customer journeys, then you add builders. So now, guys, we want to send emails, but we want to define a workflow. We will use journeys because in email studio you cannot define workflow. In email studio, for defining a workflow you will have to use a builder, and here we will be using journey builder. So journey builder is the marketing cloud tool you will use to build a cross channel customer journey, such as connecting with customers via email or mobile. So as you have chosen email channel, you will use journey builder to create your workflow and start sending and making your customers interact with your brand. So now, guys, we have seen, we have channels, we have builders, we have everything, but nothing will be useful if we don't build our data model, because for every system to perform efficiently, there has to be a data, there has to be a strong data model similar to other type of systems, similar to other databases, CRM systems, and everything. Marketing Cloud also has data model. There are two types of data model available into Marketing Cloud. The standard data model is list-based data model, and the custom model is contact-based data model. What is list-based data model? What is contact-based data model? We will see in detail when we will go into coaching. But for an overview, list is a non-relational data model. That means you cannot create two lists. Suppose list is a type of table. Suppose you have a customer data and a purchase history of a particular person. Amazon stores customer history into a different list and purchase history into a different list. However, with list-based data model, you won't be able to establish relationships because this is a non-relational based relational data model. In order to create a database, in order to create a relational database, Salesforce has provided a contact-based data model. In that contact-based data model, you can distribute your data among different tables and establish relationships. We can use primary key, foreign key, everything which we can in order to establish relationships with our data tables. But this is not feasible when we go for list-based model. But there are also some importance of list-based data models. We will see in details when we will cover Marketing Cloud training. But yes, Marketing Cloud has two types of data models: list-based data model and contact-based data model. So now, guys, where you will be creating your data model, suppose you want to create such data model wherein you have plenty of tables. In one table, you are storing customers' personal data like first name, last name, and everything. In second table, you are storing customers' purchase histories. Third table, you are storing customers' preferences. So how you will go and relate everything, how you will go and create your data model, there is a builder called contact builder. What is contact builder? It will be useful to create your data model. In contact builder, what we will be looking what are the data extensions. Data extensions are nothing but the custom tables we can build. What are all contacts? We will see what is all contacts when we study in detail. What all are the data sources? What all are the sources we can define to bring in data within our system? Data sources can be a website. Data sources can be a CRM system like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. Data source can be a mobile app. Data source can be a, a social media page. Data source can be a sign up form. Data source can be a WhatsApp group. So all these are the data sources which we can utilize to bring in data within our data model. We will build data model into contact builder and we will see what all are the sources available. So from where we can bring in the data, because we have to gather the data in order to perform any activity on Marketing Cloud. We will then see what is Marketing Cloud Connect. Marketing Cloud Connect is nothing but a package which will help integrate Sales and Service Cloud of Salesforce with Marketing Cloud. So there will be a streamlined connection between Marketing Cloud and Sales and Service Cloud, which will enable us to perform marketing activities for those leads, contacts, accounts which you have stored into Salesforce. We will see in detail when we cover Marketing Cloud Connect. We have imports, how to perform imports of data. If it is not coming automatically, how to perform import. We have data designer. That means you will be able to create views. What are views? You can see the background image. That is a view which you create so that you can understand the data model you have built. So the background image is the view. So with data designer, we will be creating the view contact deletion. Suppose we want to delete some contacts from Marketing Cloud, how to do that, and best practices. So all these things we will be looking when we will study contact builder. The most important feature apart from data model in Salesforce contact builder is it offers a feature called Marketing Cloud Connect. That means we can connect data source as Salesforce. We can use Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, Community Cloud, and Marketing Cloud together. So with Marketing Cloud Connect, we will be able to see how to use them. We will be able to sync all the data from Sales and Service Cloud to Marketing Cloud and henceforth. So we will be studying, we'll be getting to know more of this. We will also be looking some examples of APIs. I know if somebody doesn't know API, no worry, I will be giving a brief about Marketing Cloud APIs, what all APIs we have. But if we build a data model, we won't be every time importing data manually. We'll have to, because we are going to study marketing automation. So a marketing automation is only successful if you achieve 100, at least 90% of automation for regular tasks in your company. So in order to interact with our data model with external sources, we will be seeing how to use Marketing Cloud APIs. We will be seeing real-time examples, some Postman examples as well. But for those who doesn't know what is API, please attend the session and you will get to know everything. Then we already saw what is Email Studio. In Email Studio, we will be designing creative contents. Those contents will be based on the available data. So those emails will be personalized. Everything we will be able to personalize. Suppose somebody went and purchased a product, in that email we will be automatically getting that product purchased. We will be automatically getting the name, invoice details, bills, everything. So we will be seeing in Email Studio, we will be seeing the concept of email. What is email? Why it is designed? What is the technology behind email? What is the languages which is being used to build an email, and what are the things which we can do in Email Studio? So in Email Studio, we will see administration, what are subscribers lists, all subscriber exclusion list, publication list, suppression list, data extensions, how to create emails and send emails, what are the types of emails we will be seeing. To give you a brief, there are two type of emails, commercial and transactional. Commercial emails are the ones which you get promotional contents. For example, you get daily news in your inbox, or any job recommendation in your inbox. So those are the commercial emails. But what are the transactional emails? Those are the event based emails. For example, forgot password. We will try to see how to design an email for forgot password, in which an auto generated code is sent to a particular customer. Or we will see how is a product purchase email. As soon as a product is purchased from our website, transaction is complete, how to immediately trigger an email. So we will see commercial emails and we will see transactional emails. Commercial emails which you are manually going to deploy, transactional emails which are automatically triggered. We will see what is A/B testing, because before going live, we'll have to do some tests. Email Studio has a specific concept of A/B testing we will be seeing, and after sending emails, everything, the tracking will be generated. We will be seeing how to utilize or how to pull those trackings. In Email Studio, we will be seeing what is CAN spam law, because this law is very important for every email marketing company to adhere. If they fail to adopt CAN spam law, they will get penalized heavily in the court. So we will be seeing what all are the CAN spam laws which we have to keep in mind. We will see SAP into Email Studio. Before implementing Email Studio, what all are the requirements we have to check, what all the things we have to perform before implementing Email Studio. We will see what is sender authentication package. In that, we will be seeing account branding, private domain, custom domain, dedicated IP, reply mail management, everything. Later, we will be seeing what is reply mail management in detail. Suppose you sent an email to a particular customer, and if he replies, there should be an automated system wherein you will take next best actions on the reply received. Suppose you sent me a promotional email and I sent you that please give me more information. Then there should be a next best action. Suppose we want to create a case for sales for Service Cloud people who are giving services. So as soon as our reply is received on our email, a case will be created. That issue will go to our service support team and they will contact. So similarly, if somebody doesn't wants to receive future communications, they can go and reply, unsubscribe, or do not send me. So how to act on the replies received on our communication, we will be seeing in RMM. We will be seeing AMP scripts, because if you want to design personalized emails, if you want to interact distributed data model, the data model which is distributed between different tables, we will be using scripting language. And AMP script is the language. AMP script is the language we will be seeing. All the basics of AMP script we will be able to see when we will be studying in detail on Email Studio. Now, guys, we will see Web Studio. What is Web Studio? Web Studio is nothing but to create web related content. Suppose a website is a you can create small websites, 2 3 4 pages using Web Studios. You can create sign up forms, any type of forms you want. In Cloud Pages, we will see how to create cloud contents which can render on browser. So all the browser rendering contents are called Cloud Pages. A simple survey form or a small micro website or a landing page. So we will see how to create small websites, small landing pages, small survey forms using Cloud Pages. This is a type of survey form which we will be trying to create, or similar to this we will try to create, because lead we have to gather online. Suppose if we have a website and we want to get more details about a particular customer, so that you can store his email address, and so that you can regularly push for purchases, product recommendations, then you have to create a sign up form, or any sort of survey form. This is achieved within Web Studio. We will be seeing how to create these forms. Now, guys, we will be then seeing what is Mobile Studio. In Mobile Studio, we can see that in email hardly people open. Like if you send emails to 100 people, only 10 or 15 people may open, or even will be opening. But in 90 using Mobile Studio, we have 90% of engagement rate. So definitely people one time look at the SMS received. So we will be studying brief about Mobile Studio. We will be studying about administration messages, mobile push notification, and all the best practices we have. We will be seeing about Group Connect, Mobile Connect, and Mobile Push. Group Connect, we will see how to integrate Line app, Facebook Messenger. Sorry, Facebook Messenger. We in Mobile Connect, we will be seeing how to create SMS, MMS. In Mobile Push, we will be seeing how to send push messages to a particular app based on the data available. Um, we will try to reach our customers with SMS. We will try to reach our customers with the help of app engagement, a push notification, or we will and we will try to use the location feature of Mobile Studio as well. Suppose suppose for an example, if you have I don't know how many people have traveled within train. So there is an app called Where is my train? So whenever a certain station passes, it gives you a notification that that location that you have exit this state. So suppose if I go from north to south or south to north, after passing of every state, that app sends me a message. Whenever I enter a new state, it will send me a message. Whenever I exit that particular state, it will send me a message. Or take another example of Ola, Uber, wherein you see live location of your driver, or you see about Swiggy, Zomatos, you get live location within your push notifications about a particular order, and whenever that order is near to you, you will get a notification that your order is reaching within 1 or 2 minutes. So we can trigger notifications based on locations as well. We can see how to do that. Then we will see Automation Studio and Journey Builder, how to build our workflows in Automation Studio. We'll see what is Automation Studio, what is SQL, how to create journeys, how to use Sales and Service Cloud activities. When we integrate Sales and Service Cloud, we will be able to utilize all the Sales and Service Cloud features. So we'll see how to utilize those features for our marketing communications efforts. We will see basic administration of Automation Studio. We will try to learn more on real-time scenarios like an order purchase, how to define an order purchase workflow, or how to define an onboarding journey. Suppose a customer has onboarded, and what are the series of steps he must receive. We will see everything. I will give you a brief about Automation Studio. Automation Studio in Marketing Cloud is an ETL platform, extract, transform, load platform. It will be used to segment our data, play with the data available so that we can utilize that segmented data for our marketing communication, for our journey. And what is journey? If we have segmented the data, if we have created the raw data for our communication using our ETL Automation Studio capabilities, then we can push our data to Journey Builder, and Journey we can define the workflows which I have already which I gave you demo earlier. What is the type of workflow we can create? So using Journey Builder, we can create workflows. So with automation and journey builder, we will see how both interact with each other. Automation Studio, we will see how to bring in data from different platforms. Like we have data coming from CRM, we also have data coming from e-commerce. So how to get the data, create a master list, then segment that data and push that data into journey builder. And in journey builder, then how to define a particular workflow. So we will see all this when we cover journey builder and automation studio. So this is a type of journey workflow which you are already aware of. This is a more complex one. Suppose a new patient account is created into a hospital. That patient will get welcome patient health portal with some credentials. After one day, that person will automatically get portal tour and education emails. After 2 more days, it will hospital will ask to enroll into a paperless form. Then it will take decisions. If he has not enrolled, If he has enrolled, it will exit the journey. If he has not enrolled, we can take next best actions. Like we can send reminder email or reminder SMS to ask them to enroll to a particular journey, to paperless journey. So this is a type of sample journey which I have created, but it can be more and more complex. So let's see let's try to create when we study journey builder and automation studio together. Now, guys, after we have defined everything, we have defined channels, we have segmented data and everything. We will be looking into analytics builder to pull reports and to check our return of investments, to check how people are interacting, so that you can define another strategy. If you are not satisfied with your return of investment, you can define a different strategy. So how to pull the data, what all are the type of reports available, how to create custom reports and everything, I will be showing you in analytics builder. Last but not the least, we will see deployment manager. If you have two accounts, one is test and one is production, how to deploy things built in test account, how to deploy it into production with the help of deployment manager. So I will be making you hands on this deployment manager platform as well. So guys, these were all the only brief about what we are going to cover, but it is a very vast concept, very vast subject. So we will be seeing everything in details when we cover in details in our training. So guys, that's all for today's demo. Now, any questions for me, guys, please let me know. Anything, any question, anything you want to check.
Harish, Harshit, what will be the length of this training and when will it be conducted?
We are planning to start from coming Monday, and the length will be 3 to 3.5 weeks maximum.
3 to 3.5
weeks.
Okay, so within a month, and it will be weekdays only, right?
Yes, weekdays only.
At what time?
9 p.m. IST.
Okay.
So you can get more details by our team. Please contact our team if you want to have other adjustments or anything. Please contact.
Okay. So analytics builder is something like a reporting tool in Marketing Cloud?
Yes, analytics builder is a reporting tool where you can create custom and standard reports. It is similar to what we have in Salesforce, but here the data which we will be dealing with will be the tracking data. So those reports are designed to pull the tracking data or to work with tracking data.
Does it have different charts like pie chart, whatever graphs and everything, multiple options?
Yeah, we have them, but not up to a greater extent. But Marketing Cloud has another platform. We call it as Datorama reports. In that we can create bar graphs, pie charts, and everything. But that will be a custom integration.
So that is not the responsibility of the Marketing Cloud guy, right? Or we also need to know that?
No, that is not a responsibility. Suppose some companies will have Tableau, some will have Power BI. Similar to those softwares, Salesforce has also introduced Datorama. So Datorama is a reporting platform. It is a custom reporting platform. If you are concerned to build graphs, charts like you are saying, then we will be using Datorama reports. But for normal reports, normal charts, some default charts are available. You can use existing reports functionality to create those.
Okay. Can even like this Einstein analytics, something is there, right?
Sorry?
That Einstein analytics.
Yeah, Einstein is the backbone of Marketing Cloud. You can see a lot of features available. I'll cover everything. You can, so how you are going to recommend the next product to your customer? It will be provided by Einstein. You even know at what time your customer is going to open an email or have a tendency to open an email. We have a feature Einstein send time optimization. Suppose you are my customer and every month I send you 2 to 3 email communications, and every morning you have a tendency to open your inbox. Okay,
Mhm.
so Marketing Cloud with the help of AI Einstein is has all the records of your open history and everything, and it will recommend you to send the communication at a specific time when you are most likely to open that. So it will read your past patterns and will give you insights so that you can optimize your return. So this Einstein is the backbone of Marketing Cloud. We will be getting brief idea on how to use Einstein as well.
Okay.
Analytics Builder, we have reports. We have some standard reports. We can create some custom reports as well, but not those type of reports which include greater customizations and which gives our graphs and pie charts. Not that type of report. But we have plenty of reports which is relevant to our marketing data.
Okay.
Yeah. Any more questions?
Yeah, Harshit. Nowadays, I saw some JDs like Marketing Cloud app developer.
Yeah.
So
Mar-
all companies are, yeah.
So on Marketing Cloud, app developer means, see, I am also into a product development on Marketing Cloud. So I am working with a pharma client where I am developing a product. So the product which I will be developed will be used by their marketing team. In that product, I will be setting up every configurations, integrations, and everything, and I will make their team available with that product so that they can use that product for future marketing efforts. Because marketing people, the core marketing people of a particular company doesn't know all the technical specifications. So on Marketing
Yes.
Cloud, you can develop products specific to the requirement of your marketing team. Every brand will have a marketing team. So that is why I told you will have to continuously interact with the brand's marketing team. You will have to get their insight, what type of product they want to build on Marketing Cloud. And based on that,
Yeah.
you can customize and everything, and you can give them a specific product. So I think that was the requirement which you saw for a JD.
Yes, mostly nowadays, because
Yeah.
I'm into digital marketing, I have 10 plus years of experience.
Oh, nice.
I'm just planning from last 4 years onwards, but I am unable to complete this Salesforce marketing.
No worries.
So
You are at the
yeah,
right place.
yeah,
So
that's why like I'm just confusing and which path I should go in the Salesforce marketing cloud, whether it's a
So if
developer
you are a
side or
digital marketer and if you have 10 years of experience, I will
yeah,
ask you to go with Marketing Cloud email specialist and consultant examination. Why? Because you already know what is digital marketing, but
yes, yes,
you were the part of not the marketing automation approach, but you must be doing some SEOs on websites and all.
yeah, yeah,
But
yeah,
yeah, but with marketing cloud is not simply for digital marketing. Digital marketing is a concept.
yes,
Marketing cloud is mainly for marketing automation. With automation, you have to automate each and every interaction across platforms. But digital marketing, they have limited course contents, only limited to SEO, building website. But nowadays, website is not the only way where brand is present. They are present across social medias. They
yes.
are present physically. So there has to be a centralized product
Yeah,
wherein
yeah, because of these all because of channels I fed up actually. So I just want to go in a different way using this
yeah,
marketing cloud.
yeah,
So regarding to the booming outside and which way can you suggest like see
yes,
yeah,
yeah.
because
No worries.
nowadays I'm just searching on Naukri, all like
Yeah,
Accenture and other companies are like
yeah.
all they are expecting this application developer from marketing cloud.
Yeah,
So
because see,
yeah,
anything you are going to implement will anyhow leads to some difficult technical specifications. And at that time, you will have to develop your customized solutions.
yeah.
Be- Yeah. See, there are two type of roles on Marketing Cloud basically. One is the product developer role, which makes all the configurations available to marketing team. And the second person is the marketing team itself, who goes manually creates the contents and send emails for manually. But the automation part, okay, that will
Yes.
require a bit of technical knowledge, a bit of codes, bit of analysis. So two type of roles you can adopt. You can
But
anytime
in
go.
which role will get more package within the short period? Like
So
I don't
more
want to.
package definitely developer will be taking, because
Yeah, because
I
now
myself is a developer.
as a 10 plus years experience, I'm getting only 7 lakhs package as of now.
No,
So
no. So at your
uh,
experience, first as at your experience, if you are proficient on Marketing Cloud, you should at least get 28 to 30 lakhs of package. Because I have my friends, including me, we are doing good. So I only know Marketing Cloud and parts of Salesforce, but I
okay.
didn't get any, I should say, anything in my mind to switch this technology, because this is such a good technology. It will not going to outdate anytime, because whenever there is a business, there has to be a marketing. The ways of
Yes.
marketing can vary. Earlier we had traditional marketing, then we had digital marketing,
Yes.
and with the evolution of internet devices, we have marketing automation. So with future evolution, we will have different ways of marketing, but the concept would remain same. So this is an evergreen niche. So you are proficient on digital marketing, just take knowledge of this platform, and I think you will be able to get a job as an associate manager or something with 10 plus of experience. It's a nice package.
Yeah, yes, I want that support from you. So
Yeah,
I just spoke
definitely.
to your the one of your friend. Sorry, I forgot that name. One
My
more person is there, Kumar.
my friend,
No, this SVTech,
Kumar.
not
Kumar is
Kumar, not Kumar exactly. Last week I spoke
okay.
to him,
Okay, okay.
but unable to attend this last week classes. So I'm just thinking.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
So how was today's session? How did you get? Did you get something meaningful from
Yeah.
today's
It's
session?
very nice because I am keep searching on Salesforce, other Google also.
Yes.
But yeah, I just inspired like the way you showcase, like the presentation is good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
With this training, I can go as a developer side. I can go as a consultant side, right?
Yeah, you can definitely. This is the right time to get the market, because not because uh, there are less resources available, there is a greater demand. Okay,
Yes.
because this cloud is only, I should say, was highlighted before 5 years, and uh, this has caught up pace in recent 2 years only. So you will be getting plenty of demands, but the resources are not available. Though the resources are available, they are not trained on marketing automation. We have plenty of resources on digital marketing, but it's a bit
Yes.
technical platform. So that is and plenty of work from on-site opportunities, everything you will be getting if you create a nice profile. I will help you to create your profile and everything as well if you yeah.
Yeah, sure, Arshita. I want help from you because it's
No,
so much weight from my side as a career, my career. I
no
think,
worries.
yeah, yeah,
There is always worth waiting, so no worries.
yeah. Thank you.
Most
Uh,
welcome.
This this timings are 9 p.m. IST, so you don't have anything in the morning session.
That you have to check with the company, because I can give, but there should be at least a batch actually. So as of now, I have requirement to give into evening, because plenty of people who join are working professionals, so they get time only after 8 p.m.
Because that timing is like staying
Harshit,
in.
one
Yes.
more question.
Yes.
Like companies are asking like the certifications, like how long it will take the certifications. Will you help in that?
Yeah, definitely. I will be covering entire parts of marketing cloud administration and email specialist, as well as 60 to 70% part of development and 90% part of consultant. And I will provide you dumps as well. Okay. So after we finish that training, I will provide you dumps. If you do that, I should say certification with those dumps within 7 to 8 days, I think you will be ready to brag a job. Then you only have to study about interview. Okay.
Yes, because without certification, no process. They are doing, some companies, they are not doing any process. So that is important. No, with the certification, we have to go in outside. Like,
Um, Actually, many companies want to hire a certified people, but not all the companies like Accenture uh, doesn't hire or doesn't look for a particular certification. It depends on the guy who is interviewing you. So it is not
okay,
always mandatory, but no worries. At least one certification will boost your confidence in this domain. If you have learned something, you have
what is the
you must.
certification? One certification. What do you suggest?
For you, I will recommend email specialist and consultant path.
Okay.
And you have nice experience, 10 years of experience. So I think you should go to a bit higher level.
Yes.
Yeah. If you start to learn development, so I will anyways try to provide my best. But in 3 weeks, you won't be too much proficient, okay? In for
No,
a
no, no.
developer
We
role.
can't. Yeah, we can't. But
Yeah.
rest, like I can put like from last 4 years. I can.
Yeah. So
I'm just saying.
better to gain platform knowledge, get email specialist certified, update your profile, start receiving calls. I bet
Packages
if
are
you
good
receive,
for email.
definitely, yeah, they are good. See, email specialist or any certification, the work mostly remains same. Even the people who have email specialist certification will be asked to do some development kind of work. It depends on project you will be aligned. Okay. But no worries. The basic strategy is to learn brief about the course, understand every brief concept, get a certification quickly, update your profile, start getting calls. I think within 10 to 15 days, you will be getting about 2 to 3 calls. Attend 10 interviews. On 11th interview, you will get all the repeated question. This is the only strategy which I am following in my career. And attend as much interviews as you want. You will open, so you will be able to understand what are the requirements companies are asking, and there is plenty of requirement in marketing cloud.
Yes, yes, yes.
So there will be hardly any week you won't receive any call if your profile is updated properly. It's matter of 3 to 4 months if you give dedication, if you do certification, if you want, and if you start to give interviews, you will be able to clear it.
Sure, sure. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Harshit,
Any other questions, guys?
yeah,
Yes.
what is the enrollment process for this training?
That you have to check with the host, actually hosting team. I think they
Okay.
will reach you out. They will reach you out for the further processes.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, we will send you the regular batch details and everything, recording video and everything we'll share you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining for today's demo. Okay.
Harshit, I just
Thanks,
posted
guys.
a question in the chat. I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
I just posted a question in the chat. Can you guide me
Sorry, there are about 15 questions. No worries, I'll try to address.
yeah, sorry for the last one.
No worries. What's your name, please?
Varun.
Okay, I'm working as a manual tester and want to become a consultant. SFMC is the right path. No separate coding, but can understand modifying. Yeah, that is a nice approach. Actually, you can understand and modify certain codes. Okay, that is the only requirement if you want to become an SFMC developer or a consultant. For consultant, it is not required to code, but it is always good to have a bit understanding of code, because in consulting work you will be dealing with clients. Suppose if client throws a requirement which is not with that feature is not available as of now, and you want to have some custom approach for that, so you should be able to analyze the amount of work required so that you can give best consulting advice to them. So if you have a bit of understanding, or if you do not have, then I will help you out. But if you have at least a bit of understanding, that is also very good. And you know how to declare variables, what are variables, what are functions, you know all this a bit.
Yeah, I know that. I can
Yeah,
understand the
but that is
code.
that. Yeah, only you have to know what is variable, what are the if else conditions, how to apply them, and that's all. Rest you have Stack Overflow, you have Google, you will be able to carry forward your journey. Just try to grasp basic concepts, then everything is available on Google, which will be helping you to carry forward your journey.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for answering.
Welcome.
Can you, so is it an independent language, AMScript, or is it only available for the marketing cloud, or
No, it is
generic?
not independent language. It is for marketing cloud. For marketing cloud, we have AMScript and server-side JavaScript side two languages. Server-side JavaScript is a highly customizable language that if that is only taught if you are a hardcore coding guy. Otherwise, AMScript is pretty simple language. So that I will let you know everything about AMScript. No worries. I will teach you what is the basic syntax. And then you see, if you know basics, then you can build your approach by Googling the answers or Googling the query. That is how I also work. I don't know, I cannot say that I know everything about AMScript. Many times I also get stuck. Then I go and Google, but at least basics I know what is AMScript, how to write syntax and everything that I will be teaching you. And if you get any problem, you have Google and everything, you will be able to carry forward everything. So AMScript is there, SSJR is there, server side. Two type of server side JavaScript, API, everything is available within marketing cloud. It depends how you want to carry forward your journey. So I will be giving a brief of everything. This is a SSJS which we can use. I'll teach you basic syntax. These all are the default functions. So server-side JavaScript, to be more precise, is not a regular type of JavaScript, though you can see JavaScript name into that. This will only deal with some standard libraries, which is specific to Salesforce Marketing Cloud only. So that we will see when if we get a chance to cover SSJS, we will see.
Okay, can you just share with us the PPT that we covered in the demo session, so that at least the high level everyone can understand.
Yeah, I'll give
details
it to
about
team and they can reach out to you with that. Fine.
Okay. So what about the material, and also how is it looks as per the demonstration? What I understood, it's fully into automation. So is there anything that the materialized documentation or
Yeah,
something?
definitely. See, conceptual knowledge is there before building an automation. So all those concepts. So before building an email, there are certain set of requirements which you have to understand. You have to understand what is CAN spam laws, what is sender authentication package, SAP. Before sending a notification, you have to understand basics of mobiles, what is keyword blackout time. So everything that I will make you understand theory as well as practical. So I will focus more on theory part as well. Why? Because theory you are going to listen at only one time. Practical, if you get a job, you will be doing daily. At that time, you will feel that your theoretical concept is not clear. If I don't emphasize more on theory, then the conceptual knowledge will not be built, and practical knowledge you can take with your experience. So if you work 2 years on marketing cloud, you will get 2 years of practical experience. But theoretical knowledge only you will be getting from me, or you will be getting from Google, but there you will be getting in bits and pieces. So I will be emphasizing on theory as well. I have entire content with me, about 150 pages of content with me, which I will be going to teach you as well as I will be sharing with you. You can keep them for your future references. Those content which I will be giving will be the only, if you read only those contents, 100% you will get a job. Only those content which I will show.
Okay.
I will give you, okay, 50 interview questions as well. All the interviews, because I also take interviews sometimes, whenever my manager is out, is leave on, or is out of office, or so he directs that interview call to me. So I will also give you all the interview questions which we ask. So I will make you aware of everything, not to worry.
Arshit, will I get real-time examples like what MNC is looking for?
Yes, definitely.
Like e-commerce, like Amazon, that kind
See,
of
we don't
real-time.
have a website. We don't have an e-commerce website and all. But the examples I will be sharing with you, only the data will not come from e-commerce side. I will be sending it via Postman. You know what is Postman?
Postman, yeah.
Postman is an API tool.
Yeah.
So I don't have website wherein I can show all this, but definitely I will help you to build such scenarios. Only data will, you will believe data is coming from website, but I will be manually triggering it via API from Postman. The rest every configurations will be as per the standard which companies desire to have.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, one final question. Say suppose now you are saying that this is not a freely available tool to practice. So
Yeah.
how can we say that if a fresher is there, say suppose if I want to enter marketing cloud as a fresher. So
Yeah.
how can I say that I know marketing cloud, I have practiced in marketing cloud? How can I say that?
So you show that you have done an internship.
Internship.
Yeah,
No,
from the same company.
as an individual, can I go and buy that thing and for practice, or you
So you
should
will
like?
get, for why you are worried to buy, you will get 2 months of access. In 3 months, I am betting you will get a job if you give dedication. So 2 months is more than enough to study any platform. It is marketing cloud. There is no big concepts which will require more than 2 months for a particular person to study. And for you, if you are a fresher, nobody is going to ask you from where you have learned marketing cloud. He will ask 10 questions, 15 questions, 20 questions. If you're able to answer, why not he will give you a job? Because all the interviews are recorded. Nobody can take personal grudges on you.
Okay, so
If you
in the
answer
interviews,
everything.
yeah, nowadays in the interviews, the people are asking to write the code on the fly. So that is a concern, like
Code,
nowadays.
I will make you understand, right? I will give you 15, 20 code examples that you can practice for 2 to 3 times. You will be able to. There is not a huge code involved in marketing cloud. Just if you learn M script, then it will be very beneficial for your career for today and for future. Because
Right.
any coding language, if you can learn, that will be very beneficial for your CV. Because
Yeah.
all coding languages has near same concept. Okay.
Right.
So it's
Yeah.
always good to have a coding language in your bucket, at least basics. Rest you can define. If you don't want to code, if you don't want to be into hardcore coding, you want to be into consulting. So Salesforce has a specialty where people can become consultant and can survive into IT without coding.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Sir. Okay. My scenario is that I have around like 7 years of Salesforce admin experience. Okay.
Yeah.
And more in because in my earlier career I started doing triggers, Apex, and all those things, but I'm not well
Yeah.
versed with the current Lightning and LWC.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm finding it difficult. Whenever a Lightning or LWC requirement comes up,
Yeah.
because I lost the touch of coding in the last 3-4 years, because the last 3-4 years I'm actually involved in Salesforce admin configuration.
No worries, you know basics of Salesforce admin, you know standard custom objects, lookup, master detail, everything. You know
Yes,
how the
yes.
data is distributed. No worries, the company which will be using Marketing Cloud will also be using Salesforce. So guys, I told you about data model. Okay, if you don't have any existing data model in Marketing Cloud, you will build from scratch in Marketing Cloud. But guys, if you are already using Salesforce, there will be 90% of clients which are already using Salesforce and wants to have Marketing Cloud added. There you will get an added advantage because the data model will be utilized for Salesforce itself. Okay.
Yeah.
We will be using the same leads, contacts, and standard custom objects the data model build. We don't have to build away any. So in that case, they will require an added Salesforce administrator knowledge as well. So guys, you will see a trend in future after 1 year or 2 years that along with Marketing Cloud, companies will start to have a mandatory Salesforce admin knowledge as well. Okay. Now there is the interviews, the guys don't know much on this. Okay. Only you will get a guy experience or Marketing Cloud maximum 5 years. Because I used to work in Salesforce support when I started my career. That time Salesforce had newly acquired exact target. From acquisition to 5 years, I have seen this product growing, and I have seen how many people have knowledge on this. You won't get any person who says that I have 10 years of experience on Marketing Cloud. Even they don't know. Yeah, so little bit of knowledge will be helpful for you.
Right. And just see, this proxy supports, right? So in traditional Salesforce, people do proxy support very easily. I think it's all because all web-based cloud with the URL, we log in, the session ID, some XYZ will be there, and they will log in. So this Marketing Cloud also have that facility, or they cannot?
You can. Yeah, you can have those session IDs, everything. If you want to work as a Marketing Cloud security administrator, suppose if you have a role for a particular client where they have both Salesforce and Marketing Cloud, and they only want to have a guy who can look after security of both the clouds. Okay, invalid login, session expire, URL, FTP, password reset, and everything. So the same, I told you that this platform is built on the same Lightning platform, though it is not the similar, though it is not the exactly same, but
No, I'm saying about the proxy support. Suppose if I get a job in Marketing Cloud, okay, and I don't do much of that. I need some job support. So suppose so a remote login is possible.
Yeah, definitely it is possible. Remote login is possible. I also provide support. I don't take logins, but people explain me and sharing screen, and I'm able to provide the answers, supports to them.
Okay, how do we share the screen again? Maybe Zoom, I think. Yeah.
Sorry, say that again.
Okay. So people share the
Zoom,
screen.
yeah. Zoom. Yeah. You can use any platform you want.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will get everything. If you want to have job support, contact the team. They will be providing.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. So, any more questions, guys? Anything? Any concerns?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
guys.
guess no. Okay, we can stop for today's session. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining for today's session from svtechsoft. Okay, if anyone missed the session, we will share the recording and course details as well. As we will be
And
planned, the regular batch will be start from Monday.
do you have any morning sessions, please, by any chance?
But this batch we are planning in the evening, but definitely we will start some another batch in coming days.
Because it's supposed to be. Yeah, thank you. I'll get
Yes,
in touch with
correct. Okay. So recently we started a batch in the morning. Okay, this batch we are planning to start in the evening. Okay, in few days actually we will start some another batch in the morning time as well.
Right. I'll get in touch with you so that you can let
Okay,
me
sure,
know.
definitely. Yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah. Thanks, Asit.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.